Honorable Ministers, Vice Chairman, the Executive Directors, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the end of the 43rd session of the International Sugar Council, I would like to thank you all most sincerely for your active engagement during the 3 days of our deliberations. On behalf of the Fijian people and government, I express our appreciation to all members of the organization for making excellent contributions in today's council session, as well as in the workshop and committee meetings. We have had an in-depth exchange on wide-ranging topics on world sugar matters and related issues, including biofuels, ethanol, and climate change. As I said from the outset, although circumstances differ from country to country, we all are faced with many of the same issues. We have examined these key issues during our discussions and received the findings of expert studies. What we take away from this meeting will help guide us as we consider the options for improving our respective industries. I would like to thank Dr. Peter Barron, the Executive Director, and his team for the excellent preparations for this meeting. My thanks also go to all of the staff of the Fijian government and sugar industry stakeholders who have contributed to the smooth functioning of this meeting. This has been a very productive 3 days. I wish you all a relaxable, enjoyable excursion to the plantation island tomorrow and a safe return trip home. I look forward to seeing you all in London in November. And I thank you.